glad I brushed my teeth.
Uh-oh, I forgot to.
I think you didn't brush one. Didn't you brush your teeth, Chris?
Mm-mm.
Oh, no. Well, anyway, we're off for the wedding reception, right?
Right.
Much better. Wow, look at that tummy. I meant Grandpa's.
Chris.
Looking good, you guys. Okay, Grandpa, you can take my... Don't hold it, just push it and let go.
Wow.
We
what a-
can dancers.
Now there is Christopher and Jennifer. That gorgeous woman on the left there is Jennifer. And that gorgeous
gonna be
woman in
14.
the middle there is Yvonne.
No, I think everybody knows who we are.
Oh.
I mean, right?
Oh.
Oh,
Well, some movie talent
Well,
might,
that's true. We're dressed up,
some
aren't we?
movie talent might see this. And,
We're going to go to Bob and Lisa's wedding reception down in the St. Croix.
yeah, somebody might spot you there and put you in the movie.
Okay, you can turn it off if you like.
Push the red.
If he goes, we'll steal him here.
Hi, Sally.
Boy, you got that. Why does everybody get Kelby going?
I don't know why.
Just kind of get that. Bell. See, I let him in. You give these guys a minute to take my stand. I let him in close to my stand. Now he wants my stand. Oh, what'll happen? Damn Crawford. That's what they're... Stay with me.
Sit with me. I want you to sit with me.
Yeah. Honey, I can...
Nathan, get over here, you ham.
Oh, he's way up there.
Back there. Get out of there.
Hold on to the bar.
Sally. Hi. The story's on camera.
I know we recorded it all.
Where'd Chris go?
Sorry, Melvin. That's good. Oh, hanging out at the pool. Wednesday night. I did.
I'm not sure my ticket.
Yes, I don't know her. Yes, he's here.
I think it's Jacob. I'll get it when I come up.
Here's ridiculous. That big thing. Oh, yeah, it's fine. Rolled into Stillwater at 5 o'clock this morning, man. Went back across the river and slept for 3 hours.
Bonnie, I didn't realize that that's what you were doing. Yeah. Smile, Mom. I'm gonna hide behind Gina. Coward!
But we have very limited time. It seems like a lot of the stores are closed. I guess other things are there. But it was a very pretty place.
You want to go shopping in Minneapolis? Downtown.
Yeah, then the one on Brian. Yeah, it's limited single park. I like it a lot. It's much nicer. It's much nicer area. Kind of more secluded, family. That's nice.
Them people must think, boy, look at those idiots. They pay all that big bucks to sit up there and just wave at us down.
Yeah, where was your
5 inches
Huh?
taller than you. You're shorter. But then you should be shorter because why?
Travis? Hello?
Oh yeah? So
Her work foot.
yeah.
Oh, shoulders back.
BN. 3 BN. Yeah, that's perfect. That's right. That's right.